Hi again. So now what we want to do is learn to write sentences using CT2. And here's the rule for CT2. It says anytime you see verbs in the simple present tense, you don't even have to think twice, just go ahead and use CT2. But to refresh your memory, the meaning of CT2 is something that is untrue or impossible to happen in the present or future. And here's the form. We'll use the simple past in the if clause and would plus base form in the result clause. Usually you're given a sentence like this and you're asked to rewrite it using if. I don't have $1 to give it to you. In other words, this sentence is saying, I do not have $1, so I cannot give you $1. So I consider this verb to be negative, and this one is already negative. What you want to do, because this is the truth, you want to make it untrue in the present, and that would be using CT2. So whatever is affirmative, you want to make it negative, and whatever is negative, you want to make it affirmative. So I need to put the verb have in the simple past, but it has to be affirmative. So we get had. If I had $1, and here's your verb give, which is supposedly negative, so you would put would give. So finally, if I had $1, I would give it to you. But what is the truth? This is the truth. I don't have $1, so I cannot give you $1. Here's another example. Because I don't have time, I can't visit you. Here's your side note again. Anytime you see because or since, you know that that would be the beginning of your if clause. So here's my if clause. I don't have time. This is the truth. I want to make it untrue in the present or future. So I'm using CT2. So I have to go from don't have and put the verb have in the simple past based on the form of CT2. If I had time, I could visit you. Notice I went from can't to could. So we don't always put would. If you're given can, you make it could. If you're given may, you make it might. That's why it's written over here and I wrote it in your packet as well. So that would be it.